Benzo. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to go through these next two problems in these LeetCode problem sets that I completed, which is 46 and 47, but this one is 46 and the solution is in Python. So I have a couple minutes to do this, and I want to knock out my solution, which, by the way, was not great. I was under 30% for both memory and runtime for Python users. So let's just jump in here. You guys can read the question on your own time, so I'm going to start into my solution. So I have this inner function here called backtrack, which basically just is a recursive function responsible for generating permutations, and it just takes one argument, which is start, which represents the current position in the nums list. And then the base case for the recursion is when start is equal to the length of nums, which basically just means if you have a successfully generated permutation, we append the copy of nums to the list permutations, like the permutations list, and then return it. And within that backtrack function, there's a for loop that, as you can see down here, iterates through the elements of that nums list, starting from that current position start. So inside that loop, we swap elements at start and I positions using the line nums start, nums I equals nums I, nums start. This step just really kind of effectively explores the different permutations by swapping the elements. And then after swapping, the backtrack function is then called recursively with an increment start value. So we initialize this empty permutations list and to store all of those generated permutations. And then we use the permute method to call the initial start value to 0 to kick off the permutation generation process. So once that's completed, the permutations list is containing all the permutations is returned. That was the solution for this, and I'll show you my submission, which again wasn't great. This was August 2nd, so this was over a month ago. So 24 and 26, again, definitely something I want to improve on later on, but that was the approach I took to my code. But I definitely learned that this was, I thought this was a path of least resistance, but I don't think it was. So you guys, this is going to be in my GitHub repo, in the video description down below. You're more than welcome to fork, clone, make it better, make it worse if you can. Have some fun, learn something new, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.